Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Arif Humaini, and in this community service, I take the title Empowering Education Utilizing PPT or PowerPoint as Interactive Learning Medium. This community service program was carried on Muhammadiyah Elementary School of Ambarketawang 2 because of the utilizing of PPT media as a learning medium is in the school is still poor or very minimal, especially in Arabic language learning. The material is still delivered only with textbooks without involving other media. It is given a knowing of this media provides new enthusiasm for students in the learning, Arabic especially, with added with image visualization and memorizing vocabularies, so that the memorized vocabulary can really be memorized for a long time for the students. And the location of this elementary school of Muhammadiyah was close from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, about 2 kilometers. Then the method of this empowering on implementing this community service activities are in this following diagram. There are 2 elements: preparation and implementation. In the first is initiation of a further program of community service activities for after seeing the result of a study on research in the school. Secondly, exploring obstacles or problems faced by schools related to the lack of use of more effective and efficient learning media facilities in teaching and learning activities. And third is prepare solutions to problem. And in the implementation, first provide introduction to and knowledge to teachers about the importance of using effective and efficient learning media facilities and teaching learning activities. Secondly is provide supporting learning media facilities for schools, so the teachers to learn to use them. And the last, provide assistance on how to use and utilize the learning PPT that have been provided. Then giving the empowering to teachers to use of learning methods by utilizing PowerPoint media as a means of learning in the classroom, by providing the necessary facilities and how to utilize these facilities or media. This acts as it's known from the result of research that one of the obstacles in the use of media is still the lack of facilities and infrastructure in the schools that support the use of PowerPoint media, such as projector screen. This in the school is so little our teachers can use this means of PowerPoint. So we took the solve of the problem in implementing PowerPoint as interactive learning media in this school, Ambarketawang 2, by 2 activities. The firstly is encourage the teachers to take and make the materials using PowerPoint, and secondly, giving terms of facilities to this school according to what they need. Here are some examples that we can applicate it with PowerPoint in Arabic language learning. The first is vocabulary teaching. We can add the interesting pictures within the vocabularies so that it can be easily memorized by students. Secondly is grammar material presentation. The materials of grammars we can explain through in the reading text. For example, the difference between mudzakkar and muannas, or male or female words in Arabic language. We can separating the male and female words or identify when it used on sentence or text. And the third, we can add the audio in listening and reading activities. We can add the audio or video so that students can hear directly and clearly. And the fourth is interactive activities. We can give the students some examination by quiz, for examples, with completing the sentence or writing word or the pictures and so on. Maybe what can I say? And for conclusion, the use of media such as PowerPoint in schools has many positive aspects or impacts. First, the use of this media can make learning more interesting and interactive for students. With interactive visuals and multimedia such as image, graphics, or video, PowerPoint presentation can help students understand the subject matter better. In addition, the use of PPT can also help teachers to convey information more structured and efficiently. They can present material in a logical order, include logical order. Include key points and provide illustration that clarify complex concepts. However, the use of media such as PPT also has some potential challenges. For example, relying too much on PowerPoint can reduce the direct interaction between teachers and students. This can reduce the opportunity for students to ask questions and discuss directly with the teacher, which is an important element in the learning process. In addition to many animation or visual effects used in a presentation can distract students from the actual subject matter. This can reduce the effectiveness of learning and reduce student understanding of the concept thought. And the last, I say thank you. UMY ada masyarakat berdaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.